thing that we prepped today was more of these Curad antiviral face masks. The last time we ordered 12 boxes, each box has 10. We, gave them out to the family, and we still have quite a few, but I want to make sure that we don't ever run out of these. And I get these from Pharmapacks.com. That's Pharmapacks.com. And I can't beat this price. If you find a place for a better price, please let me know. They give free shipping over, I believe it was $49. 12 boxes of 10 are $67.63. And then you also can search for a coupon code, which allows you to have 10% off. And then don't forget, this company also participates in Ebates, which all you have to do is sign up for Ebates and then click a little button, and then you get another 2.5% back, and they send checks out quarterly. So it's really easy to belong to Ebates. And even if you don't want to give Ebates your information, well, then you can still search for a coupon code that gets you 10% off. I personally did both. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and store those in one of these containers that I buy in bulk from Walmart.com. You can get them around Christmas time, but this company, Sterilite, is changing the way they make these. So right now you can get these in a 6-pack for around $32 or $33, shipped free to your home. If you spend over $35, or you can always just pick them up in the store for free. The issue that I've had with getting them is some of them arrive cracked, so I don't, obviously you can't return one of them when you ordered a 6-pack, so you could order 2 6-packs and then keep all the unbroken ones and then return some of the, the broken ones with whatever's unbroken that makes up a total of 6. I know, I hope that sounds clear as mud. But so yeah, that's what we prepped today. And tell me in the comments, what did you prep today?